All right, well, I've got one plank dadoed out. I have 8 in total to do. So basically what this is about a big 3/8 to half inch dado. This is my bending station. We've got a piece of 3/4 inch material here. I've got a piece of flooring wedged in between here, which is about an inch down, inch and an eighth down from the top of this, which is 1 inch, then screwed together. So basically what happens is our flooring plank will go in here, and then we come around, and I'll take the heat gun and go back and back and forth until it's pliable, and it'll start to slowly bend. So you have to make these relief cuts, or if you don't, it'll just snap. I've tried it a couple times and learned the hard way. Okay, so I got it all bent over. I've got it all clamped up. If you want to change your nosing width, you just have to make this piece a little bigger. This is going for an inch and a half nosing. But all clamped up, I'll let it cool down for a bit and then take those clamps off, and we'll do our next step.